Hi loves, hi besties. I hope you are all doing great. Welcome to another video. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to draw guidelines for a closure wig. So these are the items you are going to need: a tape measure, a pencil, and some pins. I'll be using the office pins. You can go ahead and use your T-pins if you have. So we are just going to go ahead and then pin the tape measure onto the dome cap. I have a video on how I adjusted my dome cap in my previous videos, and then the video of how to place you and sew your closure onto a dome cap is also there. You can go and check it out if you haven't. So guys, we are going to go ahead and then pin the tape measure onto the dome cap just like what I did. So depending on how plenty your bundles are is how you are going to draw your guidelines. You don't want to draw your guidelines in a way that your bundles will not be enough. Your bundles has to be enough with the guidelines you are drawing. So what you are going to do is you're going to go ahead and then draw your lines straight to the top, 1 inch. So you know how 1 inch, the big figures is 1 inch on the tape measure. Do you get? So you go ahead and then draw to the top, and then as you can see what I'm doing, I started by marking the one close to the closure. That is where I'll be doing my sealing, so closer to where the closure is. Then you go back and then start from down to top. You don't draw from top to bottom, from bottom to top. So you go ahead and then mark from the bottom line to the top. So you do that and then you find your way to the top. Now you make sure that your lines are straight and then they are not crooked as well. You want to make sure your guidelines are neat, because like we said, they are guidelines. They are supposed to help you know how your stitches is going to be. So it has to be neat so that your stitches will also be neat, and it shouldn't be crooked as well. As straight as you can draw it, because you are not using a ruler here. So you go ahead and then draw until you get to the top, and then after that you just go ahead and join your lines. Please, if this video is helpful or you think this video is what you were looking for, kindly do well to subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free. Turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever I post. So we go ahead and then we draw our lines, making sure that it is as straight as possible. So you are just doing a freehand sketch, but you want to make sure what you are doing is straight, as you can see. So that is what I am doing in the video. So from here we are going to go ahead and then join our lines together. We are going to remove the tape measure and then we join the lines together, and that is it. You can go and check how I staged mine. I adjusted my dome cap in my previous video. I have the video there. You can go back and check. So guys, this is how your guidelines should be looking like for a closure wig. So if this video is helpful, kindly do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever I post. See you next time in my next video. Bye.